bizarre set of Instagram stories that Jake Paul posted over the weekend, he revealed the absolutely shocking reason why he believes that some people are getting nominated for Streamies and others are not, seemingly calling out James Charles and his PR team specifically. And then in another story, Trisha Paytas went off on James Charles after James responded to Trisha calling him out. And I got both of these incredibly juicy stories coming up for you right now on I.O. Hey, what's up everyone? It's Mackenzie here, and today on the channel, I'm going to be filling you in on two James Charles stories in one video, talking about what Jake Paul is accusing him of and why Trisha Paytas was going off on him. But before we get into it, make sure to like and sub below. Also check out our playlist up there for more videos from us. So for the first story, if you didn't already know, over the weekend the Streamy Awards released all their nominees for this upcoming awards. And even though the Streamies aren't as prestigious as some mainstream award shows, they mean a lot to online creators because it's the biggest award show where it's only online creators being recognized. And it seems that Jake Paul is mad that he wasn't nominated for any awards. And just yesterday, he decided to go on Instagram stories and expose the reason that he thinks certain people were nominated and others weren't. He starts his first Insta story on the topic saying, "Hi sisters." Then after a ton of mess ups, I don't know if on purpose or not, he comes back on and jokes that he hopes that he will one day be less controversial so that he can win a Streamy. And in the video, he definitely looks inebriated, and I don't watch his videos obviously, but this doesn't look like the Jake Paul that I think people are used to seeing, or at least I'm not used to seeing personally. Then he drops in insane accusations, saying, quote, "I heard a rumor that," I'm just gonna say it, "a lot of people's PR teams have been sleeping with the owners of the Streamy Awards to get them nominated." And if that's true, that's absolutely insane. But I'm also pretty sure that's not how it works, and usually PR teams would just, cut him a check for the nomination instead, not, sleep with them. Then Jake gets a little more emotional and says he's upset about not getting a nomination because he's given so much to the YouTube community. But then he pulls, a Jake Paul, and after breaking down about not getting the nom and, your heartstrings start to feel for him for 2.5 seconds, he cuts it and he basically just goes, "Until I realize that nobody watches the Streamies anymore." Like the total bro that he is. Then he comes on a little while later giving an apology, but it's clearly just a spoof and he doesn't mean it whatsoever. And if you're wondering where the James Charles connection is, basically because Jake Paul said "hi sisters" before his big rant and James was nominated for a ton of awards, people think that he was talking about James, especially since Jake was talking about being less controversial, and of the nominees for Creator of the Year, James is by far the most controversial on the list. And there isn't really much more to say, but I'm pretty sure James will respond, so if he does, make sure to subscribe and I will definitely update you when we can. Next up, onto the next story surrounding James Charles. And Trisha Paytas essentially went off on him over the weekend. So it started when Trisha was commenting on the latest Ace family controversy and was giving her opinion on the scandal and why she doesn't agree with the way that the family handled the backlash. But then, really out of nowhere, she made a comment about James Charles. When talking about how Austin was being narcissistic and condescending, she says, quote, "Yeah, James Charles is narcissistic and sociopathic, but then continues ranting about the Ace family." And obviously a super out of nowhere talking comment like that is gonna get some reactions, and James commented back, saying, quote, "Keep your name out of my mouth, you don't know me." Then this is when Trisha loses it and tells James that she can say whatever she wants about him because his whole career is based off of drama and James having people's names in his mouth, adding that he needs to be humble and own up to some things once in a while. But then it gets worse, and Trisha says that James is the only person on earth that she actually hates. And to prove that she means it, she lists all the people that she hates and says how she would essentially rather bow down to these people like Abby Hanna, Tati Westbrook, and David Dobrik than ever have to interact with James in any way ever again. So clearly Trisha has some deep hatred for James, even saying at one point that he's gonna have a cancellation so bad that people are gonna be wondering whatever happened to him. And she implied that it's coming soon. So I don't know if she knows something that we don't, but she clearly has some tea, and I'm really hoping that she exposes it. But that is all for the video today. Thanks so much guys for watching. Let us know below if you liked the kind of two video format. I know Jared did a video like this about a week ago where he did a similar thing, but I just thought you guys would like kind of the two James Charles stories in one. Also, if you're super confused by what I'm wearing, it's Halloween week at the studio. We're gonna be dressing in Halloween costumes from now on for most of the videos if we can. Some might be filmed outside of this week, but yeah, so that's why I'm, just the devil out of nowhere. Thanks again for watching guys. I've been your host Mackenzie Smith, and I'll see you in the next one.